What is up, guys? Today we are doing the Saga again, and we are at Dreamwheel Center as usual. Joshua with his grab color shirt. As you can see, my Saga is over here. So what we are doing today is we are changing the front tires. There's SX2. sounds weird for me to say. Yes. The GT Radial SX2 is gonna move to the back, and I'm gonna change the front, actually the back tire to the front, which is the previous PS31. PS31, don't try. I mean, daily use can lah, right?
Yeah, it's okay for daily use, but rubber.
Shit, rain shit, dry shit, everything shit. But cheap, yes. You wanna go cheap? Shit, go. Anyways, now I'm gonna use the tire from Indonesia. So the SX2, the tires is an Indonesian tire by GT Radial, and this new tire is also from Indonesia, and it's called it's hard to say. The spelling is FORCEUM. So yeah, and the tire name is EXP Sport. The tire looks incredibly nice, very semi-slick-ish, and not too sure about the performance. Hopefully it's gonna be good, but let's try it out. Yeah. Okay, Joshua.
Made in Indonesia.
First of all, right, people is gonna ask me like, "Oh, you must bring this tire."
If enough customer or people feedback want to buy this tire, yeah, I can bring it in.
Yo, look at that. What do you think of this tire, Joshua?
Looks nice.
Very good.
The history of the company is also nice, and the price is also good.
Very good.
Yeah, just that we need to test the performance lah.
How do you read the name, Joshua?
Huh? Awesome.
Okay, this is a 195 55 15-inch tire. Looks incredibly nice. Treadwear 300, temperature 3A, sorry, not 300, and traction A. So hopefully the tire is gonna be good. Not, I know it's gonna be in the rain because the pattern of the tread is horrible. But yeah,
But the patch of contact
looks good.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
So like Joshua said, if it's nice, he's gonna bring it in. If there's a lot of people want it also.
Available in two size, 195 50 15 and
Really?
195 55 15 for this specific pattern.
When do you study about the size? I don't even know the size. I just buy. Anyways, so let's change the tire on the Saga. Ada roller. First time ya nak. Orang tambah. 22. Kita tayar. We are also servicing the car using EXN 10W40. Because the oil mileage has reached, so we're gonna change the engine oil as well. Joshua's staff is gonna help me out to change the engine oil. Warna purple. Gila lah HKS. Highway Kuching Serian. We have done servicing the car and changing the tires of the car. Look at it. This is the tire like I described before, looking very nice. Not sure it's drippy or not. Using new engine oil as well, already serviced. EXN 10W40. Hopefully the car will be more healthy now. Not sure how it's gonna feel now that the back tire is also kind of new SX2 and the front is even more new, 2025. So yeah, that is the progress of the car. So now we're gonna test drive the car. Mantap sih. Ya, ayo ujian. Mantap tak tu? Mantap tak kah? Benar kah? Yo, ujian.
1 hour later.
We are fixing the Satria and the Saga, and as you all can see, I'm actually at Mark's house, the hidden workshop they used to call it. I mean, it's still hidden workshop lah. Then yeah, Mark is arranging the parts. Look at the amount of parts. So what we are doing today, is change of gear level bush. Damn hard to do. Then so this is the one that we have for Satria, and this is the one that we have for Saga, and also what you can see here is the gift. Oh Mark, let me kill the mosquito.
Oh, hitam.
Yeah, mosquito died. So this is the gift that Mark bought for the Saga, a short shifter. The Satria one, where's Satria one? Supply.
Yeah, satria one not yet. Still in the ship using.
the ship using short shifter. So for those of you who missed out on Mark's surprise video on the Proton Satria, go watch it out to see the full spec of the car. And but then I'll give a short summary of the car again. This is a 1.3 chassis with a GTI body kit and with an engine swap of 1.8 with a bolt-on turbo kit. Ta-da! Single cam. This is single cam. And then this is also single cam. This is exactly the same engine Mitsubishi, you guys can see here, and also here. Yes. So the difference between the two cars, obviously one is NA, one is turbocharged. Engine is displacement the same, ECU bit different. This one is turbocharged, has to use aftermarket, and yeah. Then the rest of it, just watch the previous video. After driving the car for quite some time, what do you feel about the car?
The parts is cheap.
Yes, Proton parts are damn cheap to begin with, and especially if you're a person that came from a more modern platform like Mark. He came from, he covered the big blue already. You guys can stalk his account to see the car. And back to Satria, insanely cheap. He has changed. I don't even know what you have changed already.
Just like minor wear and tear, small stuff lah.
Like the door hinge, strut bar of the damper, aircon switch. I lost track already. So
Center console on the way.
even center console. So the idea is pretty simple. Of the bush, we have to take out the center console, take it out, then after that see the mechanism under the shifter, and we're gonna take out the old one and then put the new one. So let's change that. Yeah, I know, right? The what do you call that? Yeah, very keras mat.
Boleh.
Can nggak? One screw at the side, the other one on the left, one here, one there,
One here.
middle. Got two supposedly, and then the middle one. How do you jump just now? Mat?
Just here.
Oh,
One here. One here.
I
Actually
see.
here too lah, but yeah, because like when
this one got bushing me.
got inside here.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 13 more.
Huh?
Share here the bit. Oh,
Kalau jatuh lah.
yo. I don't know what is what.
This one should be. Is it same size?
It looks.
It looks the same.
Yeah, that's why. What's this hole, huh? Oh, this hole is another bushing inside, is it? Guys, very confusing. They all look the same, but actually, yeah, these three looks exactly the same. This one looks different.
Oh, this one ada juga. They give.
Yeah, ne?
Sayang we don't have the grease.
Oh, true.
Don't mind.
This one got bushing leh, but macam not from this. Oh, it goes inside here. How? Oh, I see.
Manang maya bushing. Man, I need to do all these steps again when the short shifter. Wait. Apa tu? I think it's.
Oh, it's in the middle there.
No wonder I cannot
Serious
center.
ah?
Far need to double the spin again. You playing me, bro?
Oh.
Wait. Oh.
Ah, okay. That was kind of easier than expected, but a bit annoying to do.
Yeah.
Pagi, test shifting. Wish, so fit. Need to masuk shifter mah, dia baru you can feel it. Does it return, huh?
Yeah.
Cause it's damn fit, I think.
Possible leh. How can you be so fit? Maybe I too ketat already.
Ya kah? Oh, I see. So it adjusts from the spring itself as well. Better?
Yeah.
How's the shifting?
Solid. Okay.
Noise. Very noise.
1 hour later.
So now we're gonna change Saga bushing.
Cuma dan no cramp lagi memang.
This one cabut like that only.
Oh.
So we are basically not done with the task. Saga short shifter is fighting us. We try to fit it in. The main screw that holds the shifter cannot be put in. We have to shave a bit of the bracket off on the shifter bracket. So, but I've got to bring my grinder, so we need to get the grinder and continue the work. But for now, we're gonna have dinner first. So right now we are having the problem with this shifter over here. So you can see the short shifter is already in. There's actually a hole here. Then the problem with the hole is it cannot enter because of the alignment of the thing, the shifter. Wait, let me put it more in, like that. So I cannot go in. Of the fitment, the body is, the side of the body is hitting this bracket. So what we need to do is I'm going to grind off the bracket to make the clearance for the shifter.
The next day.
So it's the next day. We cannot settle the short shifter, so we have to go to Jess last workshop. See, Max Satria is on the jack right now doing some stuff. Yeah. So the shifter itself has been minorly modified to make a clearance. I didn't really record the process because I was like getting tired of all the custom work. But then the shifter now it's in. Yes. Is it short? I can't tell. Maybe it is. Looks good, but the spring is not as good to return it back. So maybe the spring has to change. But after our installation yesterday, the shifter actually couldn't go into first and second gear. So I have to modify that part. So now we grinded off a few metal stuff to make clearance for the shifter. I don't know why it's not plug and play, just like I'm not too sure about the Satria one lah, but Mark already ordered for the Satria one. Hopefully the Satria is not that difficult. New bush and the short shifter. Hopefully all this stuff is gonna help Mark driving in the track since he's the driver of this car at the track. Let's see how it goes. Let's see whether it helps him. Then let's see Mark's car. What is he doing on the Satria? Joshua's car. Don't know doing what. Mark is doing a few things on the Satria, such as engine oil change and a few more stuff. We are in Joshua shop as usual.
Oh,
What do you think of Mark's new car?
powerful.
As usual, car that Mark owns.
Yeah. Talk steer like crazy.
Oh, you drove already?
Huh?
Just now.
No, Akaka, no.
Oh.
Just now I try to test a bit to see the problem. So I kind of know.
can try more later on. This one is servicing and maybe I think check brake caliper also, is it? Changing the disc on the other side. Cannot see the
This is
lighting.
spoil.
This is spoil and then
Scheme already.
the return oil of the turbo is leaking. Ane tengah cabut di stop.
Parah.
Lama tidak cabut ane.
Besok.
Habis ah? Brake pad.
Auto habis.
Oh, aduh si nampak.
Then cannot skip already. It's below
already very thin. So yes, that is the installation of the short shifter and also the bush fixing of the Satria and also the Saga. So installation of the new tires. Hell yeah! So the new Indonesian tire, which is a Forcium EXP Sport, I think that's how you pronounce it, it feels pretty good in the rain actually. For its price, I bought this tire from Shopee. Locally in Kuching we don't have it, so that's sad. But the tire looks damn good, man. The tire is meaty. So yeah, and also for those of you who are using Saga and Iswara want to install the short shifter, I don't think you should get the Jasma one because it seems like it's not plug and play. It was either that or my shifter thing has been converted by the previous owner. I'm not too sure. The bracket, but you can try the other brands because maybe other brands are a lot easier to install. For the tire itself, drove it on daily basis, track not tried yet. Pretty good for its price, and the SX2 sadly has to go to the back because the previous PS31 was like not good at all. PS31 track use, no. Daily maybe can. So that is the end of today's video on the stuff that we've done. Hope you guys like the video. For those of you who are curious on the tire and the short shifter, I'll give the link down below. Not sponsored video, but most probably will help you guys to choose and purchase it easier. So hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Lays down next to me, and she said